I've always wanted to do real estate. When I was growing up, my aunt bought a typewriter at a yard sale one time, and I thought it was great because I could actually set up my real estate office. And we would act like we were typing up whatever documents. Of course, we're kids. I don't know what the purchase agreement was, but we would type up the document, and then I would have the newspaper out there with all of the open houses and the properties for sale. And we would, look at that and pretend that one of us was a client, the other one was a real estate agent. Of course, I always had to be the real estate agent, and what it would be like to go and look at those properties. It was a lot of fun. I have a long-term passion for real estate and being a realtor.